Well, it's a very difficult road to go down, but as a defense lawyer on cross-examination, it's not his job to be nice. She was an absolute gift to the defense. Every time that everybody's talking, giving her a pass because she's 19 years old and only a child, we put people in the military at 18. So she's not a little child. She's very experienced. These aren't inconsistencies. These are lies. These aren't about small things. They're about huge things. She did admit to three very important things for the defense today. One, she admitted that he did call George Zimmerman a racial slur. Two, she admitted that he acknowledged that he was getting angrier and angrier as it was being followed, or his perception was he was getting damn mad at George Zimmerman. So that's revving him up. And the most important thing that she acknowledged was that Trayvon Martin said to George Zimmerman, "Why you following me?" And that is the initial beginning of the confrontation. Everybody can say what they want. The bottom line, who was on top at what moment and when, because in tussling they probably went both rounds. George Zimmerman immediately was bloodied, had a broken nose to show. The woman from his neighbor didn't even recognize him within 5 minutes, and the back of his head was smashed in on the cement. That did not happen being on top and being the aggressor.
Actually,
Jamie,
here's the point. Hang on one second. I mean, we don't. Vinny, you take over.
Okay, here's the thing, though. In Trayvon initiating the conversation, you have to take it all in context. She also described how Trayvon was saying he was behind him, he was following him. Why is George Zimmerman still pursuing him? His direct quote to investigators the next day at the scene is that I walked straight back to my car. Well, this confrontation was this way, so he didn't go straight back to his car. He lied to police about that.
Justifiable use of force under the law. It doesn't matter what he should have done. Look, he shouldn't have had a gun.
He's
Nobody should have a gun,
lying,
I guess,
though.
for another night.
Why is he lying to police?
So is she. It doesn't. That's not what he's
But he's on trial.
Let me bring in Gloria. Let me bring in Gloria. Gloria.
I was going to say, though, we've talked a lot about stand your ground law in this case, but I think that she stood her ground. And obviously, she doesn't have perfect testimony. Some lies have been pointed out. She had explanations for why she lied about going to the hospital instead of the funeral. She had explanations about why she lied about her age and maybe even about why her mother's name is signed to the letter. Having said that, I think that there are people who are going to believe her. There are people who are going to disbelieve her. The problem is she is a prosecution witness, and she really needed to bring it home, and I'm not sure that she did bring it home to every member of the jury.